Okay, one more children. Sai Charan, third main, second one. Sai Charan.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. I'm solving here questions and all. Just try to understand.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Shriyanvi.
Um, I haven't done the homework, sir, because of practice, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hey, no problem. Just we're not getting time, I think, right? Shriyanvi, you're not getting time, no? Lot of homework are there for you, right?
This whole week is like mostly tests, sir.
Mhm. Take out your time. We are going to school every day.
Yes, sir.
How long? Maybe 4 to 5 hours, right?
How long for 6 hours, sir?
6 hours to be in school,
Yes, sir.
but you have to play for 3 hours there, right? 3 hours.
Sir?
You have to play 3 hours there, right?
No, like it's like 20 minutes break and then like 1 hour for lunch. 1 hour 30 minutes for lunch.
Okay, okay. So these syllabus are same for you.
Sorry, sir?
Syllabus, what we are studying here, the syllabus is same over there.
Yeah, kind of, sir. Kind of.
All right, all right. Which all chapters are doing in maths? Which chapter you're doing there in maths?
But now just doing proportions, sir.
Okay, proportions. All right. Ratio and proportions, right?
Yeah.
Componendo, dividendo, that we read, right? Componendo,
Yes,
dividendo, right? All right. So here we are not having class 10th componendo and all. That ICC board children are having componendo, dividendo part. Okay, children, here, so we have to find the value of x, k over here. So what is the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following cases? Sahil, what will happen? No, if anything is a factor, x minus 1 is a factor, then x minus 1 is a factor means you should put 1, x minus 1 is equals to 0. So we'll get x is equals to 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then simply put the value of x in this equation. And that should come 0. This is nothing but 2x square plus kx plus root 2 should be equal to 0. If this is a value, if you're putting x equal to 1 in this, okay.
Yeah.
If this is a factor, so remainder should be 0.
Okay.
If you are putting the value that x is equal to 1, if this is a factor, if after putting the value in this equation, no, the remainder should be what? Remainder should be 0. Understood?
0. Yeah, understood.
It means after putting the value of x over here, that is 2 into 1 to the power 2 plus kx here, k into 1 plus root 2 is equals to 0, or we can write 2 plus k plus root 2 is equals to 0. So k is equals to, what is the answer, Sahil? Tell me, what is the answer for k?
I think
You bring this 2 and root 2 on other side, what you will get? Minus 2 minus root 2, right? Or minus, you
yeah.
take common, you can write 2 plus root 2. Is it clear to everyone, children? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you people are having this textbook with you, right? Textbook you are having, no? The NCERT textbook.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So what you do, this third question you do, third and fourth question. Now you just write, Shreyanvi, you will get today and tomorrow time for this two things you write it for homework. Okay. Shreyanvi.
Yes, sir.
All right. Next, factorization is coming into picture now. So here also I just tell you how to factorize. This one, you know, Sahil, how to factorize Satvik? Factorization part, you know, child Satvik.
No, sir.
No,
See,
sir.
from starting I'm telling you how to factorize. Okay. 1 minute. I think Sai Charan and Shriyanvi knows, right? Why this is not coming properly? See, this question is like This question is like 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay. So remember that children, this should always be in decreasing order of powers of x. Like see, x to the power here is 2, here is 1, here is 0, nothing, right? So this should be in same way. So first and last, if you multiply first and last one, this is known as product. So we have to write it separately, 12x square. If you're multiplying 12x square into 1, what do you get? 12x square. This only should bifurcate into two parts, first part and second part. This middle part is what? This is your sum. So on adding this both, we should get as minus 7x. Once again, I'm repeating. First and last, you just multiply, you get the answer as 12x square here. On multiplying, you should get 12x square. On adding, this middle part is sum. You should get sum as minus 7x. So you should divide into two parts. This 12x square, you should divide in such a way that the product is 12x square, product is 12x square, and sum is minus 7x. So for 12, what we can write, children? 2, 6, 2, 3. So you can write 2, 6 also you can write. We can write 4, 3 also, right, children?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Sriyanvi.
Can it be minus 4x and minus 3x?
Yeah, that's correct. So answer is minus 4x, children, and minus 3x. Very good. So instead of 7x, Sahil and Satvik, you people are understanding why minus 4x minus 3x is coming here? This pair we are taking, minus 4 and minus 3. If you add this both, you will get 7 minus 7x. If you add this both, you'll get minus 7x. If you multiply, you will get 12x square. Is it clear, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So instead of 7x, this middle part, we have to write 4x and minus 3x, minus 4x and minus 3x. So we can write it as 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Okay. So here we can take it, we can write it here as, what is common here? 4x is common. We can write it as 4 3s are 12, 4 3x minus 1. Again, minus 1 is common, 3x minus 1. Is it clear, children, or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So this is your answer. This is factorization. That's it. Factorize means you should leave it here only. You should not find the value of x and all. So children, if you're having anywhere doubt, you just tell me. If you're having anywhere
Sir,
Ah.
can you explain it once again?
from starting, shall I explain?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, this and this part we have multiplied, we got it as product, which we have written here. Okay. Again, this middle part is your sum, which I have written here down. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
we have to bifurcate this product part into two parts such that your product is 12x square only, and addition on sum should be minus 7x. So what is the factorization of 12? 2 and 6, 4 and 3, right? Or you can write 6 and 1 also, not a problem. But what you should take two would, so you should take minus 4 and minus 3 to get minus 7 over here. If you choose minus 4 and minus 3, if you choose minus 4 and minus 3, 1 minute, children. 1 minute, children, 1 minute. So children, here what is coming here? Minus 4 and minus 3, if you add, you will get minus 4 and minus 3. If you add, you will get minus 7x. And if you multiply, you will get 12x square. Is it clear now, Sahil and Satvik?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So instead of 7x, we have to put this both, minus 4x and minus 3x. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, and then we have to, now we have to take common, 12x square 4x. Now we take common here. This is a first common, this is a second common. That is answer. Is it clear to you, both of you?
Yes, sir.
That's all.
Sir, how we are taking 3x minus 1 as common?
Because see, this is the first part, right? This is the first part. In first part, 3x minus 1 is coming here. And here also 3 minus, you understand this concept or not? Second step, you understood or not?
No, a little bit confusion about the common
Okay.
part.
Okay, 1 minute. See what I'm saying here is first two part you see here. So see children, what is happening here? First two part if you see 12x square minus 4x, okay? 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. So in first two part, what is common? You can't get to know. See here 12 and 4. What is common? 4 is common in that or not? X square and x. What is common? X is common or not? Tell me children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will be pending here? If you 4 already have taken common, so what you should multiply to get 12? 3, right? 4
Yes, sir.
3s are 12. X square is there, you should write x minus 1. Okay. Again, in this two, nothing is common. So we are writing 1. If nothing is common, we should write here 1 only. Okay. Here minus sign as it is we wrote and 1. In bracket again the same thing we written 3x. And here written minus 1 because minus into minus is what? Plus 1. Okay.
Okay, sir, got it.
Now in both the cases, now if you see here 3x minus 1 is also there and here also 3x minus 1. So here 3x minus is common and again 4x, what is pending that we should write 4x minus 1. Now it's clear, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashini.
Yes, sir.
Can you on your camera?
I switched on my camera, sir.
All right. So you have read polynomials part?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what I'm teaching right now, you're able to understand what I'm discussing right now?
Yes, sir, a little bit because I joined just.
All right, fine. So next, second part, I'm doing last one, okay, for you children. Second and third is homework, children. Second and third is homework. This is exercise 12.4, I believe. So second and third is homework. Now fourth one, I'm just telling you, children, right now. 3x square, all of you just try. Factorize 3x square minus x minus 4. All of you children just try 3x square minus x minus 4. The children who are not getting very quickly is telling you, okay? But you should practice 2 or 3 times at home, children. It's very difficult if you not practice. See here 3x square minus x minus 4, okay? So I told this both is product, right? This is product and this middle part is what? Sum, right children?
Yes, sir.
So product we have to write at the last, that is 12x square, and you should write, don't forget to write here minus, because minus 4 into 3x square is minus 12x square. Is it clear? So we have to divide
Yes,
this
sir.
minus 12 square into 2 parts such that your product is 12x square, your product is 12x square, and sum is what? Minus x. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
So 12 can be bifurcated into 4 and 3 again. So we can write it as minus 4x and plus 3x. Can we do write this or not? If you write it as minus 4x and plus 3x, can we get the product this one and sum minus x? Can we get this, Ashini?
Yes, sir, we can get.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now children, this both of this 4x and all 4x and 3x, this both, instead of this minus x, we have to keep that one. Okay. So what will come? Just try to understand here. Sai Charan, you got the answer for this?
Sir, doing, sir.
All
Hello,
right.
sir.
Yeah, Sriyan, we tell.
Is it 3x minus 4 and x plus 1?
Tell x, what you're saying, minus x.
Wait, x plus 1, sir, for the second one. 3x minus 4 and x plus 1.
Okay, let me check. Let me just solve this, whether you're getting the answer or not. This is your answer. Let me check. 3x square minus plus 3x, you write, minus 4x plus minus 4. Minus 4. Is clear, children? See, I have written this one instead of minus x. Is it clear? Anyone you can write before. 3x you can write before, or minus 4x you can write before anyone else. Anything you can write before, not a problem. Why I'm writing 3x before? Because I'm getting easily this common here. 3x and 3x I easily can got common here. So 3x common, what you can write? X plus 1. What is common in these two, children? What is common in these two? Minus 4. And we can write here x plus 1. Till here, anyone having doubt, children?
No, sir.
So in this last step, here again x plus 1 is common if you see. So write here x plus 1 and you can write 3x minus 4. So this is your answer. Yeah, Sriyanvi, it's correct. So children, if you're having doubt, you can ask. No one is having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Then what I tell you to do, now just try once, children. These two questions you try at home, this homework part, okay? This you can try it at home. Now factorization, the cubic polynomial, we are going to try factorization for cubic polynomial. Factorization for cubic polynomial, okay? So this is bit tricky, children. Two ways we can factorize this. How? This is a cubic polynomial, so we have to factorize in such a way that, see here, first one is x to the power 3 minus 2x square minus x plus 2. First method is we have to take 2 to common in this 2. Okay, so if what we is common in first 2, Satvik, tell me what is common in first 2?
Sir, 2x and 2 and x cube and
No, x cube and 2x square, what is common? X square is common, right?
yes, sir.
So what will be pending? Tell me, Ashini.
X minus 2.
X minus 2, very good. In the next part, who will tell? Sahil is there in the meeting. Sahil,
Yes, sir.
yeah, tell me next part, what is common in these two?
I think there is nothing common.
So what you
Okay.
should write? If nothing is common, what you should write?
Minus x plus 2. Same as.
Minus 1 first you take common. If nothing is common, you should take common as minus 1, okay?
Okay.
Then in bracket, what you should write? X minus 2. So now you see children, here we are getting x minus 2 common here, right? See, now again we can write it as x minus 2 and bracket we can write x square minus 1. Is it clear, children, till here or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Anyone, Satvik, Sahil, you are having doubt, children? So see, this
No, sir.
part is the form of a square minus b square form. And this you can write as x square minus 1 square also. You can write no changes in that, correct? Right, children? We can write a square minus b square or not, Satvik?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here x minus 2 as it is, you write x minus 2. And for x square minus 1 square, we can write it as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Why we are writing this one, children? You just remember that a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. If you don't know, you can write it if you want. So here a is x square minus 1 square. You can write x plus 1 into x minus 1. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer for your cubic polynomial. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So all the time you'll not get same this combination and all. You have to check. Sometimes it may differ also. See, second question. First, anyone, if you want to ask doubt, you can ask the doubt for first one. So first, second, third, fourth step. Any step you are having doubt, you can ask.
Sir, I have a doubt in third step.
Okay. See, in third step, what we are writing is See, in second step, we are taking x minus 2 common from both. Okay, I'm writing here x minus 2. Okay.
Yeah, I
Then,
got it.
then what is pending that we are writing here? That's it.
But how we are getting 1 square?
See, if you're writing x square minus 1, you are right, or you will write x square minus 1 square. What is the difference? No difference. No, 1 square is 1 only, right?
Yeah.
So no problem. You write 1 or 1 square, but we are making in this form. No, that's why we are trying to make 1 square so that you understand easily.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next question number second. You can't get this answer. See, children, if you take common here, no, we can't get the answer. So what we need to do in question number second? Question number second. Who can do question number second? Tell me, children. Anyone can do question number second? X to the power 3 minus 3x square minus 9x and minus 5. Can you do, if you take the common here, what you get? Here x square is common. You can write here x minus 3. Here what is common? Nothing is common. You should write 9x plus 5. So this is not coming. See, this is not coming only common, right? So in this way, we can't do this question. Here we caught common, so we are using arams we are doing. But here we, if you're finding common and all, we can't do this. Is it clear, Sriyanvi and Sai Charan?
Yes, sir.
Then what to do for
Yes,
this
sir.
type of questions? What to do for this type of questions? Sriyanvi and Sai Charan, can you tell me?
Sir, I think we need to find and we need to multiply x cube into 9 minus 9x.
You have to multiply x cube with 9x. What do you get? You get 9x to the power 4. Then what is the use of it? And how we can multiply here? Minus sign is there. How it,
1
mi-
into 9, sir, minus 9. The coefficients will multiply then.
what you are thinking, Sahil? Tell me once again.
No, sir, x cube, the coefficient is 1, sir.
Okay.
So 1 into 9 minus 9, and then we need to like that.
No, you can't. This is cube. No, how we can find this? How we can do coefficient of that? That we are doing only for x square form, no quadratic equation. But this is cubic. How we can find in that way? Sai Charan, how you can find in that way? You can't find, right?
No, sir.
So Sriyanvi, any idea you are having? Sriyanvi, Sahil, Ashini.
No, sir.
So see what to do, children. On the first day, Sriyanvi, I told you, no, we have to put x is equal to minus 1, 1, minus 2, 2. Keep on putting in this equation, which is satisfying 0. Which, if you're putting the value of putting x is equals to minus 1, if whole equation becomes 0, then that is a factor, right? So from starting, you should check. You should check from starting. Suppose you write here x is equal to minus 1. You first you put in this equation, then you put 1. This method is known as hit and trial method. Which method we call? Hit and trial. Hit and trial method. So we have to put minus 1 here. What you are getting? Minus 1 to the power 3, minus 3 into minus 1 to the power 2, minus 9 into minus 1, minus 5. This step you understood, children? What I've written here? Meant we have to start only from
sir.
minus 1. Then if it is not coming 0, it should come 0. If it is not coming 0, we have cross it. Again we put 1. Understood? Like that, keep on going. Is it clear, children?
Okay, sir.
So next, what we first, let me check whether it's coming or not. We don't know whether 0 is coming or not. So if minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1, minus 3 into this one is 1, minus 9, sorry, plus 9, minus 5. So what do you get, children, here? We are getting minus 1, minus 3, plus 9, minus 5. So what we are getting, children? 9 minus 9. We are getting 0, right? We are getting 0.
Yes, sir.
So we can say that x plus 1 is the factor of, why we are writing plus 1, children? Because we are putting minus 1 here. We are putting minus 1 and we have to write plus 1. Why? Because if you write here x plus 1 is equal to 0, then only you'll get x is equal to minus 1. Understood what I'm writing here, children? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So x plus 1 is the factor of x to the power 3 minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Till here, if anybody having doubt, then you tell me. So here we tried first only and we got the answer. So no need to try this one. Okay. No need to try this one. Okay. Shriyanvi, Sai Charan, Ashini, it's clear to Sahil?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now what we need to do? Can you tell me anyone what we need to do now? Now any hint? See, if power is 3, we have to get 3 factors. Remember that. How much power will be there? What is the degree of the polynomial? That much answer you should get. Okay. What is the degree of polynomial? That much answer you should get. It's clear. So what I need to do, Shreyanvi? Now what I should do?
Do you factorize it now, sir?
How will factorize now? We got one factor, then 2 factors. How will factorize now?
How, sir?
See, we have to divide here, children. Now one factor we got, it means we have to divide this thing. X to the power 3 minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. We have to divide by this one. What? X plus 1. Is it clear, children? If you
Yes, sir.
divide this, you will get factor in the quotient part. So what I should write? X and x to the power 3. The see, children. Here you see and here you see. You have to divide here. X to the power 3 divided by x. We are getting x square. We should multiply whole thing by what? X square. Is it clear? Now multiply x square with x. We get x to the power 3. 1 into x square will get plus x square. Then you subtract here, change the sign now, minus, this will get cancelled. So you can write here minus 4x square minus 9x minus 5. This is clear, children, or not? If you're having
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
because this is bit bigger question, but easy only. If you miss any steps, it will take a long time again to tell me. Okay. So if you're having doubt in any steps, you will let me know immediately. Is there any doubt till here? No doubts.
Yes.
Now see, we have to get 4x square. Now what I'm doing is I'm just removing this green part from here, and here also green part I'm removing. Okay. Hey, go. So now see, children, I'm just covering it like with blue color. So here is x and here is 4x square. Again, I'll try to divide here. I'll write here 4x square minus 4x square divided by x. What we get, children? X and x will get cancelled. So you get minus 4x. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So minus 4x you write here. You multiply minus 4x with this complete thing. You'll get minus 4x square. Then again minus 4x. So this become plus, this get cancelled. And you get answer as minus 5x minus 5. Till here is clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir. Clear.
All right, very good. Sahil, Satvik, if you're having doubt, please ask me, children.
No, sir.
Doubt, sir.
So x and here minus 5x. So now we'll just remove this again. This part is not required here. Minus 4x was there, right? Minus 4. So, and I remove this part also from here. So I just mark it x again and here minus 5x. Again, you will just try to divide here. So right here minus 5x divided by x. So the x get cancelled, write minus 5. Right here minus 5. So minus 5x minus 5. So plus both get cancelled over x square minus 5. What is, Sahil? X square minus 4x minus 5. What is this, Sahil?
Sir, I have just sent the answer.
Yeah.
I have done it in the notebook.
Exactly. Very good. So now see children, one factor already we got, and two factors from where we get? Two factors we get from first factor we got this one. So both two factors will get from here. Understood children or not? So here what we can write is what was the question? I'm just seeing that question. X cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is equals to what we can write children? X plus 1, this one front part, x plus 1, what is the factor before we got, and then we got x square minus 4x minus 5. Is it clear this children or not? If you multiply this, you will get the same answer, correct?
Yes, sir.
So again,
Yes,
you can
sir.
you can factorize this normal like before we did. No, we can step all of you do Satvik and I'll ask. This question should be done by. I'm just stopping children right now because going to be less than 1 minute. You can join it again. Okay, I'm just stopping right now. Join once again, children. Join once again. It's going to stop within the second.